All right, so I think this is recording. Let's take a look at this problem. They want us to simplify 3 times the cube root of 250. And we know that we want to focus in on this 250, but it's not a square root, it's a cube root. So we're looking for groups of 3. And we've also seen, I've been trying to illustrate in these videos that are preparing us for upcoming quizzes and tests, that it's to our advantage if we have this factor tree be as short as possible. You know, we don't like factor trees that are real long and drawn out or real wide because it's easy to miss a factor. With 250, since it ends in 0, I would start out and go 25 times 10. And now with 25, I have 5 times 5. But you have to be careful because you're so used to probably working with square roots, you're going to say, hey, I have a pair. But we're not looking for pairs, we're looking for groups of 3 because the index is 3. But if we break down 10 to 5 times 2, hopefully it's now easy to see that we do have a group of 3. So if we're trying to simplify the cube root of 250, and that's what we're trying to do right now, that 3 that's on the outside there is just coming along for the ride for right now. We're not doing anything with it. It's waiting for us to simplify this other thing because right now we can't multiply the 3 and the 250 together. So this 250 breaks down, and we know that you can rewrite 250 as 5 times 5 times 5 times 2. You can check that on the calculator. If you multiply these 4 values together, you'll get 250. Well, this 3 and this index of 3 wanted us to focus our attention on groups of 3, and we have it right here with 5 times 5 times 5. Now with the 2, we don't have a group of 3, so it's just going to stay like that. So you'd never know it to just glance at it. This number right here is just a very ugly way to write the number 5. You know, 5 was my number in basketball, my jersey number, but the coach got mad at me because I wrote on the back of my jersey the cube root of 125 because I knew that was the number 5. So this cube root of 250, you don't really believe me, do you? I didn't think so. All right, so here I can multiply 3 times 5 because they're not underneath any radical, and 3 times 5 is 15. I don't want somebody to think that this is 15 cubed, so I'm going to put a dot there, or I'm definitely going to put that 3 in real tight and real close to this radical. So there's our final answer, and I hope that helps. Ask me any questions if you need to. I'll talk to you later. Bye.